Hello guys, I welcome you in this video. Today I just want to share with you something interesting. We can see here with a beautiful move, and what a lot of traders will do when they analyze this market is that they will focus mostly on the resistance and the support, or the key levels of the market. And usually the key levels, they are just there to aid you in terms of where the market is likely to reverse. But for you to actually see when the reversal is taking place, it is very important for you to observe how the price behaves as it approaches that key level, or how it responds towards that area of interest. And so I'm just gonna make few examples or few illustrations. Here we can see with this downward move, with this wave going down next to my arrow, we can see it's a very beautiful wave. So what you should do as a trader is that you should identify how the wave is flowing, because remember, you'll not be having this level that I've shown here. The only thing that will be having it is this upward move, and you will obviously pay attention into this kind of levels and so on. But what you need to do is to identify how this wave is flowing. For an example, I will just connect these two highs, and if you can see, when I connect these two highs, you can see that obviously sooner the market flow changes, meaning now the highs, they move away from that area or from that yellow trend line, and now we see a high being formed all the way down there, meaning now you have to shift your trend line and try to accommodate those highs or those minor highs that are being formed down here. And then your role as a trader, it is to focus on how the market shifts from these structures that you are identifying. So you can see here with this second structure being broken, or this second flow being broken, as the market goes down, you can see it becomes broken all the way here. And usually when you see a market flow being broken, then you need to know that it signifies change in strength, or it signifies change in momentum. So if it's broken here, it means that now price is changing from being a very strong move into becoming a little bit of a weaker move. So now it went back to that initial flow which we indicated earlier. So it means that now the market changed from being a strong or an aggressive downward move into a little bit of a weaker move. And when we see now the second structure, or the second flow being broken all the way here, it means the exact same thing that it meant before, that okay, now the sellers, they are getting weaker and weaker, and when the sellers are getting weaker and weaker, it means that okay, the buyers, then they are getting stronger. So now this action, or whatever that is happening in that area, it now confirms this kind of minor support or minor key level. It now confirms that indeed this level is very significant. Why? Because price is changing in terms of strength, and then that's what should influence you to make buying decisions. You shouldn't make decisions just because price is approaching support level, or it is just in a support level, but you should make buying decision or entry decisions because price is showing you changes in momentum as it is approaching that level. I'm gonna make the last example with this flow. So same thing applies. When you see a wave, you identify how it's flowing, and we can see the highs, we connect them, and we can see that okay, now they are a little bit changing. They're a little bit changing, meaning our trend is now changing. You can either use this structure here, or maybe start it from there and do like this, but it will be confirmed by the next wave that we're gonna receive. So if the market moves like this and we receive a wave like that, it will mean that this trend line is genuine. And then what you need to do as a trader is then to wait for this flow to be broken, and let's say maybe the market moves a little bit down and then start to do like this, breaking that flow. It will mean that this level around this area here, it is very significant, or it is indeed a confirmed support level that we should make buying decisions, because obviously the market is dying in terms of strength, or the sellers, they are getting weaker. So this is how you should do it, guys. When you see a market reaching a key level, it is important for you to analyze how it was behaving before it approached that level. So I'm not gonna make this long, I'm just gonna keep it short and leave it here. Thank you guys for watching.